Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma. So this is a walk-in interview from Zydus. So you all know about Zydus. This is a well-known pharma company. So they are currently hiring for the manufacturing this formulation facility at Sikkim. So which includes OSD, topicals and liquid. So firstly they are hiring for production or packing officer, executive, plant operator. Candidate should have experience in granulation, compression, coating, capsule and QMS blister packing and primary and secondary packing. And next vacancy is in engineering department. So engineering, those who are want to change to a good company, this is one of the opportunity for you. So officer, executive, plant operator or technical assistant, for all these vacancies minimum 2 years of experience is required. So candidate should have experience in process equipment, mechanical, electrical instrumentation of OSD plant. And next is utility operator, candidate should have experience in HU, cooling tower, BMS, chiller and water system. And coming to the next vacancy, which is in quality assurance IPQA department for officer, executive, senior executive, candidate should have experience in IPQA in process manufacturing and packing. Next is quality control analyst. So officer, executive, senior executive should have experience in HPLC, GC, IR, UV dissolution and other QC equipment or QC method validation and transfer. So job location Sikkim, 16th November Sunday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Experience minimum 2 years, maximum 7 years. Venue Zydus Healthcare Limited, Unit 1 NH10 Bakekola East Sikkim. So scan to apply for the opportunity. For more interesting job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel Pharma Alert. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'm always ready to help you guys. If I am not able to solve, I can ask any professional for your query. Thank you.